नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चढ़ती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है। मन का विश्वास रगों में साहस भरता है, चढ़कर गिरना गिरकर चढ़ना न अखरता है। आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती, आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती। कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। आज मैं एक किताब की यह कविता पढ़ रही थी तो मुझे याद आई भक्ति हांडा। भक्ति ने अभी क्लास 11th में स्कॉलर्स इंस्टीट्यूट को ज्वाइन किया है। इससे पहले मैंने उसे नहीं पढ़ाया, पर जब क्लास 10th का रिजल्ट आया और उसने मेरे साथ बात की तो उसने जो शेयर किया वह सुनकर मेरे ही रोंगटे खड़े हो गए। एक ऐसी बच्ची जिसके प्री बोर्ड्स में 3 सब्जेक्ट्स में मार्क्स कम थे, परंतु उसने अपनी मेहनत और आत्मविश्वास से जो बोर्ड में रिजल्ट हासिल किया वह हैरान कर देने वाला था। तीनों ही सब्जेक्ट्स में उसने अच्छा स्कोर किया। उन 3 सब्जेक्ट्स में से एक सब्जेक्ट था सोशल साइंस, SST। In her pre-board exams, she scored only 44 marks. But in her board, she scored amazing 93. मैंने उससे पूछा कि बेटा तुम्हारे इतने नंबर कैसे आए, क्या किया था तुमने? तो उसने जो कहा वह मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करना चाहती हूँ। आप सुने इस बात को भक्ति की ही जुबानी, भक्ति की कहानी।
Hello everyone, I am Bhakti and I am a student of class 11th at the moment, and I just got my result around 15th of July, and I'm really happy to tell you all, and I'm really proud of myself. At this point of time, I got 80.5% out of 100% in my board exams, and I never thought that I'll ever get those in my life. I study in Vishal Bharati Senior Secondary School. When I got my result, I was literally stressed out, not able to stand properly. I was having a lot of problems in standing still. At that moment, I was really stressed out and I was not at all able to tell anyone how much I was stressed about it. Everyone told me was not to be scared, and this is an advice, so please listen to it properly. This problem that I faced was just because I was overstressed. I was overburdened by the fact that if I won't achieve the proper marks, then will I be able to take commerce or any one which I want. Right now I am happy and I am really stress free at the moment because I got 80.5 and I can easily take commerce with IT. I can't even explain you all how much excited I am at this moment while I'm making this video, because I made so many mistakes in my 10th grade that you should never make, as your life and your everything exists on that. My journey while my board exams was really stressful and literally not fine. I was really not good in social science, in maths, and in also science, and I was never ever able to even get 50% in all 3 of the subjects. Whereas when I was around in 7th or 8th, I really was the topper of all three subjects. In 9th, 10th, I was really having a hard time while studying these 3 subjects because I was really in pressure. If I don't do great, then what will happen to me? And In maths, I got 28 out of 80. In science, I got 40. And in social science, I got 44. And I was literally not fine with these marks, but my parents, my tuition teachers, and my friends really helped me out of it. My relatives also played an important part in that, as they helped me out in everything that I needed. Every child has some special in them, so I guess my parents helped me out to find out that I can do great. If I get something out of me, then I'll be able to do that. And on the other hand, it's just an advice, never ever degrade yourself by thinking that you cannot do anything, as that will only degrade yourself, and also you'll get bad marks in your subjects. I did that with myself in math subject, and I really regret it because later on I really got bad marks. I got 69% out of 100 in maths in my board exams, and I'm really not happy with it, but still I'm proud to tell that I got 80.5 out of 100. Those who helped me, I really am thankful to them from inside and out. Right now, all I can say to them is thank you for ever staying with me, and thanks for helping me out in my hard times. Never feel that you can do nothing. You should always think that you are something and you can do anything you want in your life. The life that you want is always in front of you. You should try your level best and do the hard work. It's never that you need to achieve marks. It's that you need to put your hard work into it and always achieve what you want. Never think that you cannot achieve anything you want, as everything you want is like right out in front of you and you can achieve it. Just a little bit more practice and a little bit more hard work will get you there. You cannot step out of your problems, and but you should always have the courage and you should always work hard in order to get out of those situations without ever getting stuck in those for lifetime. And in the end, you should never feel that I tried this much, I practiced this much, and I really got bad marks in that. So it's just that कि आपको कभी regret नहीं होना चाहिए कि आपके कितने marks आए थे और कितने नहीं आए थे. I am proud of my marks at that point, at this point of time when I got 80.5 and all my friends got 90, 95, but I am the one who I am. I tried my level best and right now I'm not regretting it. That's all. So thank you.